foraging and urban farming here. We're not quite sure if these are all the way right, but with the heat here, this is as big as they got. These are Wasabi Radishes, and we got them for free when we ordered seeds this year. We know about wasabi sauce, like with Chinese food, right? If you look up how to make wasabi sauce, all they do is tell you online is about the wasabi powder. So we don't really know what to do with these. What we're going to do is trim some of this off, maybe not all of it, because I think the root is probably pretty healthy. We just want to get the hair off. And we're going to roast these in the oven slowly with olive oil and salt and pepper. Then we're going to puree them and make a paste, maybe with a jalapeno.